Hello everyone, it's Sunday. I'm paying attention to my hair. I'm about to wash it. I can't put it in a ponytail or anything, so I'll wash it. So this is it for right now. I decided to decorate my house for Christmas because things have been rough and I needed something to spark up. And Christmas is my favorite time of year, and so I did some of my decorations. Brianna made that really cute wreath. Yes, Dakota. Your toy scissors? I'll find them for you. You want to say hello? Say hello. Can you go get your glasses? 3-year-olds. I'll find your Play-Doh for you.
It's over there.
Well, go get it.
Why?
Because you want it?
But it just makes no feel like that.
Coco, how much do you be touching up on the wall?
Do you want your Play-Doh? Go over there and get your Play-Doh and go look in your toy box for your toy scissors. Okay?
But I just made that food.
You just made what?
Food.
You made some play food? Okay, I'll come see it in a second, okay?
You have to.
I will. I'll be there in a minute. I know this. I'm going to come see it. Do you understand the words coming out of my mouth, little 3-year-old? She says she's going to make it into rubbish. I don't even know where a 3-year-old learns the word rubbish. I don't know. She don't watch way too much Miss Rachel. I don't even know. Anyway, Brianna made that really nice wreath. It lights up with these snowflake lights at night. So pretty. And I'm trying to show the Christmas decorations without just. We put up some of them. We haven't done all of it, but I really like. Don't pay attention to my rug. I'm getting a new rug. I'm taking that one out because it's a washable, so I'm gonna wash it and then put the new Christmas rug down. Look at the fireplace area. It's my favorite. Yes. You can't find your toy scissors anywhere. I will look for them, but can you put your glasses on? They're right there.
Where?
Right here.
Where?
Oh, I'm so sorry. Right here. Thank you. I'm going to help you in a second. Can I finish making my video? Whatever. Anyway, I love the fireplace area. It's my favorite. And I still need to like tweak my tree because it's looking a little skinny on the top. Anyway, I love you, Dakota.
I love you.
I'm going to go outside to show the car because that's why I started making this video. Is to show the car. Did wipe it down a little bit. It's sunny today. It finally stopped raining. Oh my goodness. So as you can see, I don't know what Rob did with the old airbags. I think he threw them away already. We took the airbags off. So the airbags are off and panels are all back in place. And you would think that, it looks perfectly normal from the inside. Like, if you didn't know and you were inside the car, you wouldn't even know that it was an accident. But there's no seatbelt here because Rob took the seatbelt off because we have to order new ones because I was wrong before when I said that the seat wouldn't latch. They actually were locked. Not all of them. The front seat and the driver's seat and the passenger seat are locked. See, they're locked into place. because this one was one being in use, it's locked in the place where it was last used. Okay. And it won't come out. So I checked out I did a lot of research, and this particular model car, you can't reset them. So they have to be replaced totally. So I found the manufacturer, and they're like $90 a piece, and I have to replace 4 of them because these 2 seats are locked. Well, Rob took that one off so that we can get the model number and everything. So I have to replace that seat. I have to replace this one, and I have to replace this back one. This one, thank God, this is the middle one is not locked. Thank God. And that one over there is locked. And the 2 in the 3rd row are not locked. So